Someone wants to teach you social media marketing, but they're making money from courses and their social media marketing company isn't even actually making money. Rather, maybe it's making £500 or £1,000. Should you learn from that person? No, you shouldn't. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my people. Today the setting's a little bit different. The lads were in the office, they're calling, so I kind of had to come outside and do the recording because I need to get the video out today. It's Tuesday. I want to tell you guys how today you can make super money, a lot of money. You guys all want to make money super quick, and I want to aid you to do that. Now imagine when building something. For example, when you build a house, the main structure has to be strong, solid. Only then can the whole house stay strong for a while. And that's what I want to speak to you guys about today. See, we want to have this wealth, this money, but we don't actually understand how wealth is achieved. It takes time and it takes effort. See, I know recently a lot of schemes have been coming up. You know, everyone promises you'll have £10,000 in a month. You will have £15,000 in a month. And I'm here telling you guys, my brothers and sisters, hear me out. If you really want true wealth, if you really want to have money for the future, it takes time. Because if you don't really understand how money works, how business works, how to actually start a company, then you're looking for quick solutions. And quick solutions are never really the way. Now, hear me out. I know you want the quick money, but I'm trying to tell you guys, quick money is possible, but if it means you have to do something haram, if it means that something you have to do is not permissible, then leave it. There's no barakah in your money. Number two, it takes time to really understand something. If you want to start a business, but someone promises you can have £7,000–8,000 in a month, £10,000 in 2 months, £3,000 in 2 weeks, then you need to question that. You need to really understand, where is the money coming from? What's going on with my money? And am I really doing something okay? See, it's amazing seeing brothers driving nice cars. They take pictures on the Instagram and on social media and they're like, wow, do this, join me, I'm doing amazing. But a lot of the times, these brothers and sisters, unfortunately, are actually selling you guys courses, and that's how they're making the money. Now, there is no issue with selling courses if you're actually teaching knowledge. But if you're just teaching something for the sake of teaching, then you're not actually teaching someone which is of benefit. And that's the whole point. So my brothers and sisters, having wealth is good. I want to help you guys have wealth. This is why I make the content that I make on the YouTube channel, but I also have to tell you guys, be careful. And this video today, it's me telling you guys, be careful. A lot of the time, people are selling courses on how to sell courses and they're making money on courses, but you want to know how to start a business. You want to know how to start a company. You want to understand how to make money. And unfortunately, there's a lot of scammers out there. So my brothers and sisters, I will advise you one thing. I will say that if you want wealth, if you want money, stop looking for quick solutions. Don't think to yourself you should have money within a month or 2 months or 3 months. Think to yourself, you know what? It's okay. I need to learn. I need to understand the business. I need to really understand from mentors and people who actually have achieved what they're doing. If the person isn't doing what they're going to teach you, then you should really question if they're the person that you need to learn from. For example, someone wants to teach you social media marketing, but they're making money from courses and their social media marketing company isn't even actually making money. Rather, maybe it's making £500 or £1,000. Should you learn from that person? No, you shouldn't. Because they haven't mastered what they're actually teaching you. Rather, they're just teaching you for the sake of teaching you. So this video is all about explaining to you guys that you need to be careful, you need to understand where you're at, and don't just spend money for the sake of it. And in fact, adjust your mindset. A lot of the times, if you want true wealth, true money, you have to achieve it through knowledge, time, and understanding. It takes time. It won't just happen within days or weeks or months, and if it does, question it. Question everything about it and be very careful. This is coming from someone who is in the game and trying to do what I try to do. So inshallah, I hope this video benefits you guys. A quick reminder, a quick little advice to you, my brothers and sisters. If you guys really want to learn, just watch the videos. Inshallah, there'll be more coming out. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share with your family and friends, because unfortunately, there's a lot of scammers out there. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.